Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Banknifty, and I'm going to give you one sell and one buy stock for tomorrow's trading session, that is February 1st, friends. One more important thing, tomorrow being an important day, budget day, I'm going to give you one more information towards the end of the video. Don't miss that. Coming to Nifty first, Nifty had made a kind of a channel here. Okay, this was a channel. It gave a proper breakdown, came till here and then started its journey upwards, friends. Okay, it broke the support zone and went little up. Now next, this was the resistance zone and went little up. Now the next resistance zone is here, somewhere here. Okay, 17,899 or 17,900 to be easy to remember. Coming to Fibo, what has happened is we are at a very sweet spot, which is the 38.2 levels. Chances of rejection from here is very high. However, we have taken multiple rejections here, friends. Once, twice, thrice, fourth time, probably fifth time it can come up, friends. Quite possible. Now, are we bullish, bearish on the market? About that, I would say tomorrow is a day of budget. So, I am not bullish nor bearish. I'll come to that point sometime later. Coming to Banknifty, I hope you have seen the video that is posted on the channel on this particular channel. Okay, we created a position at 115ish, somewhere on this candle. Okay, and we captured the entire momentum where our investment became almost 20%. There was almost 20% upward moment, 20% profit that we could book on our investment. You have already seen that video. If not, do see the video on this particular wedge pattern that we took a trade today. Towards the end of that video, there are very good points that one has to learn when making decisions on buy or sell, friends. Coming back, now you can see again after this there is a very good retracement that happened and it came up above that. And if I draw a clear trend line like this, you can see that this last candle has broken that trend line and went further up, friends. What are the next resistances? First resistance is somewhere here, 41,213. Next resistance I would talk is 41,800, friends. So that is quite a bit, good amount of momentum that it can give. Are we bullish, bearish? We will talk about that in some time. If I draw a Fibo from the recent top, from where the rally started to the bottom, again we see that we are at a very sweet spot, which is 38.2 levels. Coming to the buy stock and sell stock for the day, I am choosing Maruti as buy stock today, friend, for tomorrow. The reason is simple. You can see this, friends. I'll show you a few things that I can notice in the stock. Now see, this is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is your right shoulder. This is your inverted head and shoulder pattern. After that, it straight gave the target. Now, if I remove this inverted head and shoulder, I'll show you something else. Now, this one is your cup, friends. Okay, and this is your handle, cup and handle, or people call it fry pan, whatever you call it. And after the handle, there was a clear breakout. You can see this trend line, there was a breakout. Technically speaking, the target for this breakout should be this much, friends. Okay, this is as per books. Okay, which is 9130 to 40, somewhere here. Even if I consider the breakout here, okay, still we have 9055 as our target. We are currently at 8939, which is 100 points from here. So how do we trade on this? Simple. You can see that it has again created a angle. Okay. Now if I draw a Fibo from the recent bottom, which is here, to the recent top, okay, what do we see? We see that it is rejecting from the first retracement level itself. And if we are creating buy positions here itself, there is one more left shoulder, a head, and an attempt of a right shoulder for it to go upwards. So we can create buy positions right here. We are at a very sweet spot. We have support of 23.6 levels and an attempt to go upwards, and you already know what the target is. It is around this area, which is 9055. Okay, first target would be this top, 8975. Next target would be 8987, and final target would be this, friends. Will we achieve this target in a day? Tomorrow being a budget day, we cannot predict it that it will go straight up or even further up, but one has to be very cautious. Coming to the sell stock for the day, that is Nestle India, friends. You can see that it is in downtrend. These are the reasons now. Okay, now if I take the stop as a top and draw Fibo, this is your Fibo. You have seen, let me show you a few more things here. First, when I draw Fibo till here, friends, okay, till this bottom that it created, you can see that it has taken rejection from the golden ratio, which is the 61.8 levels, and it took rejection. Now after that rejection, if I am drawing it here, okay, you can see it can still go till this area and then take rejection. However, we have our first rejection area, which is 38.2 levels. From there it has been coming down. What we would do, we have drawn this simple trend line. The stock has gone up from here, given a breakdown, followed by a retest of the trend line. All these attempts to go up had failed. What it will do next? It will go ahead and start falling. I would sell it even at this level, 38.2 levels. Okay, best place to sell would be 50% levels. So tomorrow if you see any gap up, if the stock is somewhere here, we can straight sell it for first target 19,166, second target somewhere here 19,118, and final target would be the low 19,060, friends. That's how we would be creating sell positions in Nestle. Coming to the caution that I wanted to give, friends, tomorrow being a budget, there will be a candle that will form when Nirmala ma'am will be speaking on the TV. So that candle can either be green in color or it can be red in color, and to tell you, friends, it can also be blue in color. Now what I mean by that is, it is not predictable. On such days, it is very, very, very important. Yes, I am repeating, very, very, very important for traders like you and me to preserve our capital and not jump into trades when you are seeing a small opportunity. If you preserve your capital, that's when you will get an option to get better trades on the next day. So don't be in a hurry to trade tomorrow. I would say there will be nothing wrong if you don't trade for the entire day. Nothing wrong in that, because day after tomorrow market is still going to open. There is not going to be any change. It will again open day after tomorrow at 9:30. It is going to go nowhere. You can wait for the entire day, preserve your capital, and take an entry day after tomorrow, or trade only in the second part of the day when all the volatility, all the ups and downs that it has created have stopped. That's when you can slowly enter, and once the buyers and sellers fight till 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, let them fight. Once either the buyers or sellers win the battle, we will go ahead and party with the winners, friends. Till then, it is very important that we don't trade at all. So this was just a caution that I wanted to give through my channel. I am not against the budget. I am not against Nirmala ma'am. But market is something that will be volatile tomorrow. It might create a blue candle, a surprise candle. which direction it is going, we would not know, and no one would be able to predict it. But what is important is we as in retailers stay safe with that kind of a candle, friends. I hope you liked the video. If you did, quickly hit that like button, friends. I see that the likes are coming down. And don't miss the video that is created some time back on live trading. It has got very good inputs and 3 to 4 points that I have given on the way one should be trading on an intraday perspective, friends. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next video, friends.